This arrived a couple days ago. This here was a Dutch wall clock made in Holland. I got this for $95 on Facebook Marketplace. It's overall good condition without much wear on it. What's interesting that I usually don't get on Dutch wall clocks is the wallpaper having a boat and a White House and the wallpaper on dial. It's a little unusual to have wallpaper on Dutch wall clocks. So on a dial you get flowers and the windmill and water. Those are the teardrop weights that you usually get on Dutch wall clocks. Here's what it says on top of it. New Elk CJ Sin. I don't know what that is, but please comment down below what that word means. You can actually see through the movement. I don't have the flash on, so it's probably the best view that you can see. There's a bell up there, and it's on top of one man holding a ball with stars and moon. And now let's hear it. I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, it uses a homing movement. I did not, I was surprised if it was using a homing movement. Okay. Oops. Almost tripped on that. Okay, so that's all of today's clock. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.